Hey there, we are in Tonopah, Nevada. We are away from our site in Yosemite. We've been boondocking for a good 7 days, so the rig is pretty dirty and dusty with windows being open and the wind blowing in the evenings. So today we are hooked up to full hookups and we are cleaning the rig, and this is a good time to introduce my lovely wife Shauna, and she is cleaning. We all cleaning. It's a family effort, but she's going to tell you about the product we use to clean.
So in a small RV, it doesn't take as long to clean as it does at home, but being out, it's a lot dirtier. So one of the things that we're doing is cleaning, like Kevin said, but I also want to make sure that we can breathe while we clean. And so we use a non-toxic cleaner. It's called Thieves Household Cleaner. It's actually pretty easy to use. We just buy it in a concentrated form like this through Young Living Essential Oils. It's a company that we love, and when we buy this, this will make about probably 30 to 35 bottles of this, which is just me taking an old bottle, and I usually put about 3 capfuls in it if I'm going to do a deep cleaning. When I was at home and I just needed it for a little bit of in the kitchen, I might have 1 or 2. In the bathroom, I might have 3. We're using this for the whole place. So all you have to do is any kind of cleaner you would use is you just spray and you clean. I usually use a rag at home or paper towels. As you can see, it's already picking up some stuff because where we've been has been very dusty. I don't know if you can really see how dirty that is, but that's what we're doing today. We're cleaning. This we use on the floors. We pretty much use it everywhere. I cleaned the bathroom already with it, and we cleaned, what else did you clean with it so far?
The couch, the blinds, about anything.
I cleaned the shower, the toilet, the sink, and all surfaces we're doing right now, and I'm cleaning our kitchen right now. So, get some thieves.
See ya.
Bye.